Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card to Redmi 14C. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, a bit hidden because it's under that white box here. You have to remove it completely, and here you will find finally the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. And yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having your phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And under the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, and also a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the middle. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you want, you can optional now add a second SIM card. It belongs here to the first position. So same thing. Also here, missing corner on missing corner. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below as well. And if you want, you can extend also the internal storage with a microSD card. If you want to add a microSD card, place it here on the last position. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that. And of course you can use it also with just one SIM card, so anyhow one or two. And the contacts, they are below here as well. Okay. And if you're ready with it, you can put back your construction into the SIM slot. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.